I hadn't been out to Autocross for a good amount of time, mainly because the car really wasn't ready. And when I say ready, I mean I had worn out tires, I had worn out brakes, and I didn't have a good alignment. So I did the tires, I did the alignment, and I did the brakes. So obviously it's time to go back out to Autocross. So about mid-November, I went out to another event at SRMS, and I'm definitely rusty. I wasn't as good at driving the car and managing the course as I have been in the past. So definitely it pays to stay consistent and stay on top of, your autocross so you can maintain your skill set. But even for being rusty, I finished somewhere upper mid pack somewhere. Let's say like upper third. So it didn't do super bad, and especially like my Camaro is not obviously like the best suited to these smaller autocrosses on a go-kart course, because the reality is it's very big, and this is obviously a course that's better suited to something small and powerful. And the individuals who design the course always seem to be skewing it towards something small and powerful. Might have something to do with the fact that the individuals who design the course drive K-swap Miatas. But yeah, those cars are obviously going to be favored by a small space. My car would obviously do much better on just a blatant, road course. But either way, it's very fun. It's a very affordable way to get out and wring the car out a little bit and have some fun. So that's why I tend to do it more often. Track days get really expensive in terms of even the price, like cost of entry plus consumables. So this is just an easier thing to do, less prep time too. If you have a kid and you have a lot of things you got to manage, sometimes you don't have that much free time to get ready for things. I'm getting better about that, but for now autocross is kind of my motorsport to keep kind of feed the bug, so to speak. So here's the footage. Hope you guys enjoy it.